Hey, good day. Super excited. You're welcome to another financial market trading culture series, an episode on Owolabi TV that helps you to be able to grow your money in the financial market, the Forex market, cryptocurrency market, and also in the stock market. And we've been consistently showing you the possibilities of what is available in the Forex market. Guys, today I want to show you another breakdown of another trade. Now, somebody will say, Mr. Mayowa, why are you showing us case studies? And one of the reasons why I do share case studies is that you can also look for the same condition on your own chart and begin to practice in it. You see, one of the things that you want to know is that when it comes to mentorship, some of you might not be able to afford my mentorship program, but I want to also still be a blessing to you. I want to be able to reach out to so many people, even despite that they can't afford my courses. So what do you want to do? You want to watch my trainings on YouTube. You want to watch my case studies. You want to take your time to look for every of these things on your chart and begin to practice them. See, the essence of success is to look for a blueprint that the process of success is to look for the process that is working, identify it and repeat it. And that is how I have become what I have become today. So always take your time to go through what I'm sharing with you when it comes to case study, and you can repeat it. And if this is your first time coming to my Owolabi TV, you want to make sure you click on the subscriber button and make sure you watch this video till the end, because at the end of this program, this training, I will be sharing with you another amazing opportunity that I've put together that can help you for those who have not heard about it. Okay, guys, so having said all of that, let's get to work. So yesterday, or in the previous episode, I shared with you AUDCHF case study that gave us a good money, and it makes a lot of sense. But this is AUDCHF, and AUDCHF also did the same behavior pattern, and we are able to scale on it. And as usual, I always tell you to always look for the monthly wave, okay? Know where the monthly market is coming from. Currently, we are the reversal zone. We have the top, we have the low, and if you agree, we had a break of structure here, and we also had a retracement back to this order. So this is the particular guy since 2012 that dropped this sell down. Now imagine if you have picked on this trade since 2012. Imagine. I'm sure some of you would have been tired of holding this trade. A lot of people. Okay? But that is what you want to begin to understand, that if the market is going your direction, you don't need to disturb it. Okay? Good. So now we had this drop. Now, what made this trade to retrace back here is because of this change of trend zone that this impulse move destroyed. And because this impulse move destroyed these zones, it means that this rally-based drop becomes valid. So right now, if we want to take a buy here right now, okay, we want to also see a change of trend, okay, that this zone is also as destroyed. So having said that, I'll be zooming in on this so that we can see the possibility that is happening here. Now, this is the last swing here, and you can see that the market went outside this swing. So what that means that the swing has been destroyed, and that means that this demand zone here is now exposed. But the market has not returned back into it. And this is why a lot of time people feel that because there's a drop-based rally here, they will take this drop-based rally and they can use it to start going up. But review and statistics says that it doesn't work that way. So the market will do what? Will go up and come back into this zone, create this, come back into this zone, then move back to the top, then find its way down. When it comes into this place, then that is where you can look for a buy. Now, another thing you also want to know is that the market always obeys a particular range of fib, which is always anything below the 50%. For some of you that have watched my training on discounted offer. So you can also see that if this is an impulse, the market is yet to come below the 50% discounted order. So the market needs to come below an average of 78.6 or 61.8 before you want to say you want to buy. So right now, this is still an impulse. We still need to see correction. So what I see happening is that we want to see correction this way. Correction this way. So then we now eventually come into this buy. Then we can take off on the buy. Then we can now hold on that trade for a long time. Another thing that is here is that you can see that the trade has also broken out of this wave, of this sell trend line. So having established that, we picked this in the community as a rally-based drop. And this is the main trade that we're able to identify. And when we saw this, it makes a lot of sense. We went to daily, and on daily zone, the market repeated itself. And I've always told you guys that no matter how ready you want to take a trade, the first touch is always a trap. You can see the market went up and created, collected some imbalances there. Sorry, liquidity collection there, dropped again, went back into it. And immediately I told the people in our community that we are ready for a sell. So in this became our daily supply zone, which is where we are right now. Okay, which is where we are right now. Good. So I posted that on the group on our outlook of individual pairs. Okay, so imagine when we've been able to identify this. I posted this May 1st. Can you see that, guys? May 1st, that the market has gone out and has dropped, and we are waiting for this reversal into this zone. So May 1st, it was posted in the group, and right now, yesterday was May 4th, 2 days ago, sorry, May 4th, and right now the market came into this zone. So this was what was posted in the Discord, in the Outlook group, okay? In the Outlook list, okay? So when it got into this place, I know a lot of supply and demand traders will be looking at the sell zone here, which is why ITC has a leverage. So we don't want to trade this 60%, 60 pip stop loss trade. No, it's extremely outrageous. Okay, but some supply and demand trader does trade that. And if you had done that, that would have made this trade to have a drawdown of about 45 pips. So when the market got into this place, we now go into 30 minutes. When the market got into this place, we went into 4-hour zone, and we realized that the market came into the 4 hours rejection, which is this rally-based drop. And when the market came into this rally-based drop, 4-hour zone, now that is where we are interested, okay? From the 4-hour zone, our confirmation is on 15 minutes, and we had that on 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes, we're able to identify that the market was creating a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, so we saw this move. You see, this is the low, and this is the divergence, stop loss zones, liquidity grab, all of those things. Then the market came out, and when it came out, we expected the retracement back into this zone. So what happened? Eventually, we're now able to reduce our stop loss from 60 pips. So that's the analysis that was dropped on the group. We're able to reduce 60 pips AUDJPY entry, okay? We're able to reduce 60 pips to the barest minimum, okay? 60 pips, we're able to reduce the 60 pips trade to about 7 or 9 pips entry. That was about 8 pips stop loss. Good, which is very, very good. And you also want to make sure you're taking some profit out of the market. So the 1 to 5 usually is where you want to come out of the trade. Then 1 to 10, you want to come out of the second trade. So today it gave us 1 to 12, okay? Now, once that is done, okay, then we switch back to daily. We switch back to daily, then we hold our third entry. So our third entry is the one we're going to be holding till it gets to its promised land. We're going to hold this trade till it gets to its promised land, like promised land. Like when I mean promised land, guys, that's the trade we're going to be holding till it gets to its promised land. And right now, if you follow my analysis on this AUDCHF, and you can hold this trade into this demand zone. That will be about 1,000 pips. 1,000 pips. Okay. So what you now want to do is all the investment you've had, all the profit that you have made from this trade, you can now use it to profit, to enter other trades, okay, already that you are looking out for. So this is how you want to be able to catch out on your trading, being able to go in on a lower time frame, trading this move. Look at that. So we're able to reduce 63 pips to 8 pips stop loss. And we're just expecting an average of 1 to 100 on this trade. And you remember that is how I also gave you guys Euro JPY on the Discord group. The Euro JPY trade, we are still holding it, okay? Because Euro JPY trade still has close to about 2,800 pips that we are expecting this trade to deliver. So this is how you want to be able to every day repeat the rules, identify your supply and demand, identify the levels of determinant weight. See, we are in the business of waiting. I know some of us were not patient because our goal is to make money. But guys, this industry, the more money that is available here, the more complex it is for people to achieve it. Okay? It needs discipline to achieve it. Okay? It needs discipline because access to this industry is open. Anybody can open a demo account and start trading. Anybody can fund an account and start trading. So being successful in it will be complex, will be systematic, will require discipline. Okay? The same way when it comes to oil rig. Okay? To get into oil rig, access to it is hard. Okay? But once you get access to it, you will not need to do anything again. So it's vice versa. Vice versa. It is easy to access here. It requires a level of discipline to retain it. It is hard to get this, but it It doesn't require any discipline. You keep making money forever. Okay. So you must understand the kind of industry you are in and you're good to go. I hope you guys gain some value today. So tomorrow, 7 p.m. West African time, we're going to be having a great time together for the financial freedom group. So the goal tomorrow, the training tomorrow is on cryptocurrency futures trading. We're going to be sharing with you how you can leverage on futures trading, make money from it, and the basic rule for you to follow, and you're good to go. And for a lot of you that you've not joined, you've not taken the psychology of trading course, you want to take your time and make sure you go through the psychology of trading course. It's a 7 days email course. It is free. Free, guys, free. The link will be dropped in the description. Take your time, register, and enjoy the 7 days course. Okay? I look forward to your success. Okay? I look forward to your success. Have an amazing, pleasant evening. My name remains Owolabi. See you guys tomorrow during the financial freedom training, 7 p.m. West African time. Okay? And always feel free to share this video. And if you have questions, make sure you drop your question in the comment link below. I look forward to your success, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.